In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Banana Republic promo codes. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search a Banana Republic promo code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website CNN Coupons, and then you're gonna click on it. I'm gonna wait for the website to load, and once I'm there, you're gonna see many codes. So the first one is score 40% off your order plus free shipping on orders which are above $200. So let's say you're purchasing something which is above $200, you can use this code to get a 40% off plus free shipping. So all you have to do is click copy the code. The code is BRSHIP. Then you can copy it and then click go to the store. There you can choose your products and you should make sure that they add up above $200, and then you can use this code at checkout, and yeah, and then you're gonna get the discount. But the expiration date is 20, so make sure you use it before that date. And there are many other codes there. For example, enjoy 15% off any item. So this code Simon15 is gonna give you a 15% off any item. So same process, copy code and use at checkout. So same thing, you can explore other codes, but now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Well, then you can head over this website, RetailMe. So here the second one is 20% off Banana Republic credit card, so you can click on it. And this one is gonna give you a 20% off. Similarly, you can see many other codes as well. So let's see, 15% off. So this code right here, NYJA15, is gonna give you a 15% off. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.